Good morning student, this is your science period and today we will study in science our lesson 3 food and health. Today I will explain you this lesson. Lesson 3 Food and Health. Nutrients in food. Health is the state of complete physical and mental well-being. It is very important to stay healthy. We all know that health is very important for all of us. It is state of complete physical and mental well-being. It is very important for all of us that to stay healthy. The two important requirements to stay healthy are eating healthy, having nutritious food and doing regular exercise. To stay healthy, we should always eat healthy food and nutritious food and doing regular exercise. If we do regular exercise and eat healthy food and nutritious food, so we become healthy person. Food is very important to lead a healthy life. Food help us in the following ways. It serves as the ultimate source of energy. It helps us to grow and repair worn out cells in our body. It helps our body to fight germs. Food is very important for all of us. If we want to lead a healthy life, so we should eat a healthy food. Food helps us in the following ways. It serves as the ultimate source of energy. Food gives us lots of energy in our body. If we eat healthy food, so it gives us lots of energy in our body. It also helps us to grow and repair worn out cells in our body. Food also helps our body to fight germs. There are different components present in our body that serves as a source of energy. Help us to grow and repair our cells and help to fight germs. These different components are called nutrients. Food consists of 5 nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. There are different types of component which is present in our food and it gives us energy and it also helps us to grow and repair our cells and helps to fight germs. These different components are called nutrients. Mainly food consists 5 nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now we have to understand carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that give us energy. Potatoes, sugar, rice and wheat products are source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate and fats gives our body lots of energy. Potato, sugar, rice, wheat products are the main source of carbohydrates. Fats are found in butter, ghee, oil, cheese and nuts. Fats are found in these products. Just like butter, ghee, oil, cheese and nuts, in these products fats are present in there. Although fats give us more energy than carbohydrates, but we should not eat fat in large quantities. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates, but we should always remember that we should not eat fat in large quantities. The excess intake of fats can make us obese and can lead to various diseases. Now we have to understand proteins. Proteins are responsible for building our body. They help us in our growth and repair cells. Milk products, beans, peas, fish, pulses, eggs and meat are some food items rich in proteins. Proteins are very important for building our body. Proteins help us in our growth and repair cells. Milk product, beans, peas, fish, pulses, eggs and meat are some food items which is rich in proteins. Now we have to understand about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Both minerals and vitamins are needed in small quantity by our body. Vitamins help prevent and cure certain diseases. They are present in fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs and nuts. Vitamin A, B, C, D and K are some of the different vitamins that our body needs. Minerals help in proper functioning of our body and its development. Milk, green leafy vegetables and fruits are good sources of minerals. Both minerals and vitamins are very important and needed in small quantity by our body. Vitamin help prevent and cure certain diseases. They are present in fruits, vegetables, milk, egg and nuts. Vitamin A, B, C, D and K are some of the different vitamins that our body needed. In proper functioning of our body and its development, minerals are very important. Milk, green leafy vegetables and fruits are good sources of minerals.